Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can speed up the performance of your Windows. So by applying all of these methods and solutions, after you are going to apply this and you will see a great difference for your Windows performance. Without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find apps and you'll find start app. Apps that start automatically when you sign in. Click on that. And you will find all the startup applications on your Windows. Now what you can do is you need to disable the unnecessary startup programs on your Windows. That should not come along, or that should not automatically start whenever you sign in into your Windows. So you need to simply switch the button off. Now in my case, I have just disabled almost all of the unnecessary startup programs. So what you can do if this is turned on, just simply turn that off, especially for applications like Discord, Xbox. Now once done, close this. Then click on the start button again, and then we need to go back to settings and we need to click on apps. But this time, we need to click on installed apps. So what we can do is we need to uninstall unnecessary programs on our Windows which we are not using, because that will just take much space on your Windows. So I'm not using this Snapchat. I'm just going to click on the three dots. So you just need to click on the three dots that corresponds for the application or program that you want to uninstall and select the uninstall option. Click on uninstall once again. So you have to do that for all the unnecessary applications or programs on your Windows and just simply uninstall that. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type sysdm.cpl. sysdm.cpl control panel item. Click on that. Now here in the System Properties window, you'll find the Advanced tab. Click on that. You'll find Performance, Visual Effects, Processor Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory. Click on Settings. And the Performance Options window will appear. Now simply choose Adjust for Best Performance. Click on Apply and click on OK. And for the next method is we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Power Plan. Now you'll find this option, choose a power plan. So from here, if you have the high performance, then you just need to simply choose the high performance power plan option and then close out of here. And finally, we also need to make sure that our Windows operating system is updated, because once updated, it will give you a better performance. So click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find Windows Update. Simply click this button right here to check for updates on your Windows. And you just need to wait for this process to be done. And after that, finally make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.